Okay, prior to me dismantling this tractor, I figured I'd take a minute to walk around and sort of talk about what makes it somewhat special. This tractor is a 1942 Ford 2N Warhorse. And the reason they were called Warhorse tractors is they were wartime tractors that came without electrical systems and without rubber parts. So the rear wheels on this are the original wheels, even though starting in 1939 Ford offered them as an option. But some of the ways you can tell these tractors from a regular Ford tractor is if you come up here to the front, you'll notice on the dog leg there's a hole here, and what that is, it corresponds with where the carburetor would be, and that's so it had a front throw for the choke, because these tractors, like I said, had no electrical system, which meant they had to be hand cranked. As a result, they also have a longer front axle pin to guide the hand crank in. Now if we come around this side here, it would have had a plug over the side of where the starter would have gone. And if we come up the back here, see, it still has a plug for the start button, because somebody put 39 and 40 style one up on the dash here. And somebody would have had to cut in an ammeter gauge. They did not have them from the factory, or an ignition key, because these had a Magneto ignition. But those are some of the things that kind of stand out. The other thing is, if we look at the VIN here, so it's 9N104635. So because it's 104, this would have been one of the last wartime tractors. Well, in the group of the last wartime tractors anyway. So like I said, they had the steel wheels and everything on them. Kind of unique. It's really hard to find the steel wheels because they did rot out, and you can see this one's got a bit of rust, but nothing we can't fix. I have another one of these tractors, and that's why I bought this one, to get the steel wheels and a few other parts off of it.